Hi, I'm Simon, and I'd like to welcome you to my DxO PhotoLab Zero to Hero course. If you've recently downloaded DxO PhotoLab, purchased a new camera, started shooting in RAW, or you're simply looking for a better editing workflow, then you're in exactly the right place. Over the years, I've used a lot of different editing software, but DxO PhotoLab has become my go-to solution for processing and editing RAW files. It produces fantastic image quality, excellent color, incredible noise reduction, and, most importantly, a workflow that makes sense. Now, like any powerful software, PhotoLab can feel a little overwhelming when you first open it. There are lots of tools, lots of options, and lots of terminology. That's completely normal. The whole idea behind this course is to remove that overwhelm and help you become familiar with the software one step at a time. These lessons are designed to be listened to while you have DxO PhotoLab open in front of you. My recommendation is to have the lesson playing on your phone, tablet, or a second screen while you follow along on your laptop or desktop computer. If possible, have a raw image ready to work on as we go through the lessons together. Don't worry about keeping up with me. Pause the video whenever you need to. Rewind sections if something doesn't quite click the first time. The goal isn't speed, the goal is understanding. Each lesson focuses on a single topic and is designed to be short, practical, and easy to follow. We'll cover everything from raw files and exposure through to DeepPRIME, local adjustments, smart lighting, color correction, workflow, and exporting your finished images. Think of this course as your foundation. My aim is to help you become comfortable and confident inside DxO PhotoLab. Once you've worked through these lessons and understand the basics, we'll be in a much better position to explore more advanced editing techniques and professional workflows in future tutorials. If you don't already have a copy of DxO PhotoLab, you'll find links on this page where you can download a free trial and follow along with the lessons yourself. And if you find these tutorials useful, don't forget to subscribe to SIMONDXO for more PhotoLab tutorials, workflow guides, and editing tips. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover in the future or something you think I've missed, leave a comment below the video and I'll be happy to create more lessons. Right then, let's get started with Lesson 1.